Welcome back to OASIS, the Oversized Access State Interstate System. This video will guide you through the features available from the company dashboard. After logging into the system, you will see what is referred to as the company dashboard. The company dashboard is the primary interface of OASIS. The page is split into 3 columns with the administrative panel on the left, message and statistics on the right, and the company's permit queue in the center. The tutorial videos for the administrative panel, which contains links to tools and other pages, can be found on the login screen. The center section of your company dashboard, also called the queue, contains your company's permit order information. The primary function of the queue is to interact with your permit. If you are a permit service, the permit history is separated by company in your queue. The new permit link will initiate the permit ordering process. To order a new permit, use the new permit link at the top of the permit queue panel and follow the prompts. Selecting an item from the Show drop-down menu will allow you to filter the content of the queue by status. Refresh will refresh the queue. Search Permit will allow you to search for a permit in the queue. The Show Records drop-down at the bottom of the permit queue will define how many records will be displayed at one time. You can sort each column by clicking the headers. Sort the columns by permit number or ID, type of permit, date submitted, and the status of the permit. The Actions column will perform various actions. Clicking on the Select link to the right of the permit under the Action column in the permit queue will bring up several options to choose from. The various actions available to users are dependent upon the permit status. Permits that have a status of unfinished means the permit order process is incomplete for a variety of reasons. Choosing the Select link in the Action column will let you resume the permit to complete it or cancel the permit if it is no longer needed. A status of pending means the permit is complete and awaiting approval. Click the Select link in the Action column to view the permit and look at the Permit Details page, which will detail the information entered into the application. Choosing Copy Permit will start a new permit of the same type while retaining the information from the copied permit. This can save time when ordering permits that have the same vehicle and route information. The Status option will open a pop-up to let you know if there are any notes that need to be addressed and the average process time if available. Pending permits can also be canceled from this list. An issued status means the permit is issued and valid. Pull up the Permit Details page by clicking View Permit to view all of the information the permit contains. Copy the permit to start a new permit and retain the same information or request and amend if there is something that needs to be changed on the issued permit. For an issued status, the PDF of the permit can be opened directly from the dashboard by clicking on an issued permit number from the permit queue. An expired status only lets you view the Permit Details page or copy the permit to start a new permit order. MassDOT uses several other statuses to indicate that additional information is required for the permit application process. To the right of the dashboard, you can find your shopping cart to locate permits pending payment. There is a tutorial video on the login screen on how to use the shopping cart. The Messages section contains important announcements from MassDOT. The messages displayed here will allow you to quickly see items that pertain to the trucking industry and permitting in Massachusetts. The Message Center is also used to announce system maintenance and scheduled downtime. The Statistics panel displays basic information for your company, such as the number of permits issued for your company today and the number of self-issued permits for the day. These numbers can be refreshed throughout the day. This concludes the OASIS user tutorial video on using the company dashboard. Don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.